Woohoo! Ah, fine, says the driver who hasn't checked it himself. Here's James. What's wrong with railways? Hey, we may sometimes poison our atmosphere with ash and soot, but we are still really useful. Now, if you excuse me, I have a passenger train to take. Roads are better than railways. That's nonsense. There's nothing wrong with... Ah! Oh no, my beautiful paintwork. I'll be quiet, Bulgy. I didn't mean to crash into the tar tankers. That was just an accident. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to get washed up. Oh my god, I can't believe I just hugged a skunk. Oh my god, driver, you're right. That tar does make me look like a skunk. Huh? Ah! I think I'll be safe in this tunnel. P.U. What's that smell? Well, whatever is that smell, it sure smells a lot worse than with the garbage engine. Hey driver, where are you going? Hello there. Why are you giggling? Why'd you chain my wheels down to the rails? Why are you staring at me like that? No, 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 no. Ah! It's a long story. Alright, well, long story short, I crashed into some tar tankers and I got covered in tar, and then some crazy female skunk chased me all over Sodor. Yeah, I know, I'm black. Really? Where? Oh my god, I didn't even notice that. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Oh no, it's a female skunk, quick! Mickey, do something! Phew, that was close. Thanks, Mickey. Aw, poor thing. She just wants someone to love. Mickey, I think I have an idea. That'll teach them to say mean things about our railway. Ooh,